Hi everyone, it's me Aneka. I'm just popping on here for a very quick channel update to let you know what I have planned for the next month. Now, I have been very busy filming a new series that's going to be launching tomorrow, and it's called Sewing for Beginners. Now, please don't go away if you are not a complete beginner. I will still have content for you, and after this video goes live, I'm going to be launching my How to Fix Gaping for Armholes and Neckline that has been eagerly awaited. So I hope you enjoy that. And each week I will try and do a more advanced video as well. But I have got this series that I've been planning, and this series came about because obviously I do still have quite a few beginner subscribers. I still have people emailing me asking what a bobbin is and do they need a bobbin. So I wanted to make sure that I had short videos that would help people. And my sister doesn't sew, and it was her wedding last summer, and she was making bunting for her wedding. She had to borrow a sewing machine to do so. And she said to me, "Oh, I'm going to look on YouTube because I don't have a clue what I'm doing. I don't even know how to thread this thing." And so I told her about my videos that I think are about 2 or 3 years old now. And they were the last sort of beginner videos that I did really. And she said, "Oh, I don't want to watch those. They're like 20 minutes long." So that is how this came about. So it's really short, no more than 10 minutes, a video on little techniques. And I really hope that some of the techniques you might still learn something from them. For example, I've got how to sew a corner, I've got buttonholes, I've got troubleshooting problems with the sewing machine, how to care and look after the sewing machine. Yeah, so I'm hoping that you still might learn something, but if you are a more advanced sewer, don't think that I'm forgetting about you. Just don't bother watching the beginner's video and stay tuned for my more advanced ones. And I'll try and get one up a week. As I said, gaping necklines is coming up today. I've also got on my list full bust adjustment for princess seams or small bust adjustment. I've also got how to do a high round neck, high round back, adjustment, forward shoulder adjustment. So loads of stuff, and a week of zips. That's going to be my job for October. So thank you everyone. Thanks as always for all your support. I will let you know about another live session. I probably will do one at the end of September. I'm just working out a little bit more equipment because I really want to be able to teach you and have a really polished live session with you all. So as always, thanks very much. Lovely to see you, and see you soon. Bye.